Hi, it's Rich. Welcome to Rich's Slot Car Room. Welcome to Taco Tuesday. Got a little bit of a special for you today. Got something in the mail from Bob over at Electric Avenue. This came all the way from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Yes, sir, Bob. Thank you very much, brother. I don't know what's in here. I think I know. But, yeah. I think I know what it is. But I'm not going to say. Bob always gives really awesome gifts. That train car of mine, yeah, he made that. Really cool, you Bob. Got a couple stickers. Woo. Yeah. Welcome, race fans. Electric Avenue Raceway. Woo! Yeah, that's pretty cool. On the other side, Tuesday night, 6:30 p.m. Central. Virtual Racing League. Yeah, that's really awesome, Bob. Really cool. Keep my beer cold on Friday nights, brother. Yes, sir, it will. Thanks for being a supporter of Hopper Racing. Yeah, Rich. I think this is just he just printed this up. Okay. It's pretty cool though. If this was a sticker, that'd be pretty dang cool. Yeah. Bob at Electric Avenue. Yes, sirree. You are welcome, Bob. Great show on Tuesday nights. You guys ain't seen it, you need to go over to Bob at the Electric Avenue on Tuesday nights, 7:30 Eastern, 6:30 Central. And check out Bob. Check out all the guys and gals. Yeah, we got a couple gals to get on there and race. And it's really cool. Real cool. I'm going to set this bad boy back here. Oh, yeah. I don't want to cover anybody up. But, yeah. Today is Taco Tuesday. And today I'm doing, yeah, this is an oldie but a goodie. Yes, sir. It says Taco right here on the chassis. Taco right there. So let me bring it right here and we'll check this bad boy out. Yes, sir. Thank you, Bob. That's really awesome. Appreciate it. And let's get on with the show. Okay, here we go. Not sure how this is going to run. It's been a while since I messed with it. Doesn't run too good on there anyway. Well, we'll take this bad boy apart. It needs to come apart anyway. A regular Phillips, that is not correct. If you're curious about this body, it's an F1 from 64, I think. Pretty cool side pipes on it. Yeah, this body's cherry. There's nothing wrong with it. It's perfect. Except for this back here broke off. I had to put a new one on. I have little tubes down below, real long ones. I stick them in, cut them to length. Oh yeah. Yeah, it runs good. It doesn't put any numbers on a dyno, but that's okay. we will take her over to the track. We got all new tires on this bad boy. Looks like that one's a rear and that one's a front. This one's a front. This one's a rear. There we go. Get one out of it. There we go. We got one out of it. That's pretty cool. Put a little oil on this bad boy. Well, I think that's all it really needed. Cool. Those cans are pretty much like the curve huggers and HP2s, but they're designed a little different. They yeah, let's just say they're designed a little different, but they're pretty much the same. Pretty cool car. I'm gonna look this bad boy up in the book for you first before we go over to the track. Okay, it's in the very front. It's actually the first page that actually has cars on it, because it is very old. There it is right there. You can't see it. Number 9. This car came in different colors with different numbers on it. Number 9 is a 1964 BRM F1. Note, has pipes on sides. Made in 64. Part number S627. And it's candy green white number 1. And you have blue number 2, green number 2, red number 1, red number 2, blue white number 1, and gold white number 3. Oh, that's over here, green white 3. Okay. Got 3 1s, 3 2s, and a 3. Okay. No, those ain't 3s. Those are all 2. 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Man, my glasses are filthy. Yeah, that 2 keeps looking like a 3. Okay, yeah. That's the red one right there, the red number 2. Which is red number 1 and red number 2. All right. Put you on pause and take you over to the track. All right. Yeah, we're at the track, and yeah, that's pretty much floored there. Yeah, I'm not sure why this tire here is a hard tire. This one here is a soft one. Well, I'll just switch these back around, and then I'll run better now. It is not. I'll put these two on the back, and the other two on the front. See if that works better that way. Oh, I see something that's going on too. I see. The front wheels are not spinning. They're rubbing. Yeah. I'm going to put it on pause and put a washer underneath the screw. Okay, 20 minutes later. Yeah, it runs a lot better now. The front wheels actually turn. I might need to switch the tires back around. Okay, we'll put these foam ones on the front, on the rear I should say, and put these old dried up ones on the front. Okay, that does not work. We'll get it one of these days. I think I need to get some new tires for this one. I think I have them in there. I think I do. Is that a U-turn car here or what? Yeah, need to turn her down. Alright. These cars were a handful back then, they're a handful now as well. He's a drifter. If she had some real nice new silicone tires on it, you can imagine how fast it would be going. Yeah, a lot faster. We made it around one full lap. I think that turn is pretty fucked up because nobody likes that turn. Not the fire truck, nothing likes that turn. Those are the little 3-inch AFX turns, which you kind of sort of need on a 4-lane, but Tycos just don't go through them. BRM F1. Yeah, I checked my O-ring fronts, and I don't have any in here. There's none in here for this car. So I'm gonna have to go online and see if I can find them somewhere. They're tall and they're skinny. I probably could stick something wider on it, but I like HP2. HP2, HP7 rears on it, but I'm not sure how well it will respond. If it's hitting the body or not. They're actually too big. Yeah, they don't really fit on here. So yeah, I'll have to find some online, and I think I found some once and I stuck them on all my cars, and this one here didn't get them. These actually are pretty good tires, but you see how it goes around a track, they're not that great for racing. Up here, there'll be a video up here in the corner. Yeah, it's a Corvette, fluorescent blue with white stripes. It has white hubs on it. Will you please watch it? Only 89 people have watched it, and most of my videos get anywhere from 150 to 300 views. So it's about 60, 70 of you that haven't watched it yet. I appreciate if you guys would check it out. It's the only one I've had in the last 6 months that doesn't have 100 or more views on it. So I appreciate it. I'm gonna put it back up there again. Appreciate if you guys would watch that. Yeah. So appreciate you guys coming in. Hope you guys liked this BRM F1. Hope you liked it. And thanks again, Bob. Appreciate it. Check out Electric Avenue Raceway. Tuesday nights, 6 p.m. Central. 6:30, I should say. And I'll see you there. All right, have a good one. Bye.